Greetings! Today I am giving you a rundown of 5 quick and easy mods that you could do for the Fiesta ST. Let's go! Alright, first up, if you have a Ford Fiesta ST 180 in either ST2 or ST3 trim, you will have a random hole right here, and it doesn't serve any purpose, but thankfully some genius decided to create a little 3D printed file and make it publicly, freely available on the internet. So you can go and get it made, or you can make it yourself if you have a 3D printer, or you can buy it from other people who are making them and selling them already fully made up. Now what I did for mine was I got the 3D printed part made, and then I got a sheet of thin carbon fiber, put it over the top, and a little ST decal, and I think it looks absolutely sweet. It really brightens up and makes a really cool difference. So that's dead cheap, it's dead quick, it's dead easy, nice. Next up is eyebrows. Now I have these carbon fiber eyebrows from Carbon Motorsport, but you can get eyebrows from other places like Triple R Composites and Maxton, I believe, as well. Various different places, roughly around the same price as well, really not that expensive. These were, I think I paid £58, they might have gone up a little bit, but generally eyebrows are in that kind of region. They're so they're relatively cheap, they're really easy, literally just stick on with some double-sided tape and that's it. Big visual mod, makes it kind of aggressive on the front end, easy, nice. So continuing on the outside, we have this, the antenna replacement. Now the stock one is big and long, it's like about maybe roughly this long, and it's all flappity, not that great looking. Replacement one, this one is from Sparco, and it's smaller, but the radio still works perfectly. It looks so cool. It's exceptionally cheap. I think this was like 10 or 15 pounds or something. It's really easy. You just screw the old one off, screw the new one on, and you're done. Right, so we're going to move into the realm of some performance mods then that are actually really quick and easy. So you can't really see much right now, and please do excuse the dirt under here. I actually need to lift up the tray here to reveal the trunk brace from Mishimoto. You can also get ones from Summit as well, but I got the Mishimoto one. Hashtag Team Mishi. And this is exceptionally quick and exceptionally easy. You literally take out a bolt over here and a bolt over here. You put it in place and you put the bolt back in and tighten up, and that is it. So super quick, super easy. Really solid after all these months, so the bolts haven't come loose or anything, so that's good. And this stops you from flexing your body as much when you are cornering. If you go on the Mishimoto website, they did a bunch of engineering testing and stuff. You can look at some charts, you can read the stats, but it's super quick, it's super easy, and it improves performance, so why not? Alright, so fifth and finally, another performance mod, and I'm talking about replacing your air filter. So it's really easy to get a replacement air filter. You can get one from K&N like I have, or you can get one from like Ram Air or Revo, or a whole plethora of different companies that literally you just have to remove the airbox lid, drop it in replacement of the original stock one. The stock one is like really thick, like that thick, and it's like made of paper. So it just gets dirty and clogged up, and it's kind of restrictive. So this is just replacing the air filter alone. Never mind doing like a stage 1 remap, just doing the filter alone is a worthy upgrade. It's very quick, it's very easy, it's very inexpensive. If you want to spend a little bit more money, it doesn't take very much longer to do that and then to chuck a new map in there. Very quick, very easy. It depends how much you want to spend, but you can just do the filter and not spend hardly any money or very much time at all, and you'll get a nice little improvement in performance. Do the map, I recommend. I did the map, totally changes everything, completely new ball game, really good. But yeah, working on your induction system is my number 5. So there we have it, 5 quick and easy mods for the Fiesta ST, most of which that don't really cost very much money to do either. Have you done any of these mods? Have you done any other mods that you think would be worthy of adding to the quick and easy and maybe not quite so expensive list? If so, throw a comment in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this video, I really appreciate your support. Please do like, share and subscribe for more content to come very soon. Cheers once again, goodbye.